What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video. Today I got a few deals for you. Some actually quite good. I'm not feeling that well, so I really don't know how many I got. It's not as many as it usually is, I don't think. But first up, over at Lowe's, we have some Bosch deals, and I had to bring up Safari because I have two good scenarios for you. So first off, let me give credit where credit is due. Andrew Michael posted this in the Facebook group, and I just wanted to take you guys through the best scenario for this deal. So we have a Bosch Pro Factor 7¼ inch sliding compound miter saw, and it's on a buy more save more. And you guys know Lowe's is weird with the buy more save mores. Some things don't coincide with other things for whatever reason online, but you have this miter saw, and if you add this angle grinder, and I know I rave about Bosch angle grinders. I never used this one in particular though, but it's probably pretty good because it looks very similar to the other one. If you add this to the cart, this is $139, and this is, I don't know. If you spend $450, you save $150, and this brings you to like $459, adding these two things to the cart, which makes this cordless miter saw $214.52, and this angle grinder $93.48. Pretty darn good deal there, if you ask me. Not better than that 10-inch from the springtime. That was on a buy more, save more, plus a BOGO, plus a special buy the day, and that bad boy ended up being like $160. That was so hard to return, but shoot, what's my mother gonna do with that? Moving on over, we have a different scenario with Bosch. If you add the high torque impact wrench, the drywall screw gun, which is also very good, and the Pro Factor hammer drill. All right, now forget the Metabo HVT stuff right now. We'll talk about this another day. Here's how that breaks down. You get the impact wrench for $133.68. You'll be hard pressed to find a better impact wrench at that price. I mean, I think you'll be hard pressed to find a better impact wrench for $179 or $199, really, considering this thing's capabilities. The drywall screw gun has been cheaper. I showed you ways to get this cheaper, but this is a scenario if you want these sets of tools, this little bundle here. But this breaks down to be $73.22. We've gotten it to like $64 before, I believe. And it still comes with two free 4-amp-hour batteries, or you can get a starter kit. You can change this and make it a charger and a 4-amp-hour battery. Me, I say go for the two 4-amp-hour batteries. $73.22, excellent deal there. And you get this Bosch Pro Factor hammer drill, the one that, you know, shows you your angles and all that, and you can sync it to your phone and all that other good stuff for $100.09. Okay. Again, I don't know that you're gonna find a better hammer drill for $100.09. And this drill is up there in terms of quality and performance. So there you have that as well. Moving on. We've been talking about cell phones a lot lately in the Facebook group, but mainly ones that actually have tools attached to them, like thermal imaging, which I think I found one I'm going to buy because the other company that was going to send me one backed out and decided, hey, we have a better idea. We can just post ads in your Facebook group. ... The end, y'all. I get nothing. I don't know nothing about their phones. They just want to post ads in the Facebook group. What a bait and switch that was. So obviously I told them no. I'm going to just buy a phone from another company that actually has 5G thermal imaging phones, and I'm going to test that out. I hear they work great. So, you know, I'm crazy interested in that, and they have big old batteries. So anyway, but QVC, if you my age, you used to watch QVC when you stayed at home from school sick, and your mom, you know, seeing stuff on there, you call your mother, oh my God, look at this thing I've going on there, at QVC, we gotta buy it, and you never got anything. But QVC has this track phone, all right, and this is a GSM phone which could be unlocked. I think it's GSM. I don't know. Don't give me the line, but it can be unlocked after 60 days. 5G Moto G stylus, and 1 year of service for $59.98. Yes, 1 year service. The phone $59.98. And there are all types of deals. If this is your first time, this is my first time. I'm new to QVC. If I add 2 cents, something, just go through the site, find something super cheap, bump it over to $60, you get $30 off, right? And you also have your Rakuten, which you have at Lowe's too, which I failed to mention, where you get 2% cash back on top of that. And if you use the, oh my God, if you use the link in the description below, you get a bonus $30 cash back. So if you actually got this to like $69 or something, all this will ultimately end up costing you like $8. That's insane. Let's go back to Lowe's because I think that they have something special going on. Retail Me Now has 3% cash back. And Rakuten also has 3% cash back. It's usually 2% cash back, but Rakuten has 3% cash back as well over at Lowe's. So there you go. I'll leave a link to this. This is insane. Insane deal right here. But it's just, decent phone. Doesn't have any thermal imaging or laser rangefinder, nothing like that, but it's a cheap phone. Anyway, moving on over to Home Depot, we have this Milwaukee 6-tool set with 2 3-amp hour batteries, a charger, all that whole kit on a BOGO with a 6-amp hour high output battery. Breaks down to be $275.43 for all these tools. Now let's go look at the tools that comes with this bundle. Okay, we have your drill driver here, and of course all this stuff is brush, right, for $275, of course, but that doesn't mean bad. Okay, in fact, my M18 hacksaw I actually like better than my M12 fuel brushless one, so it cuts better. But you have this drill, you have a flashlight with the articulating head, you have an impact driver, you have a circular saw, 6.5 inch, again the 2 3-amp hour batteries, an oscillating tool, and the hacksaw. Yeah, that's a lot of tools for $275. It's not necessary to have a high output battery on any of these because the regular 4-amp hour, 5-amp hour batteries, they'll max these out just fine in terms of power. So there you go with that. $399, I feel like, but for $275, whoo, that's a gift right there. Moving on, we over to Amazon. We have this Klein. It was another Klein screwdriver I saw like a week ago where everything was hit, the bits were hidden in the handle. I love screwdrivers like that, but I can't find it now. But anyway, this one's on sale for $14.97. Excellent reviews there. Going on over at Acme Tools, they're having a Labor Day sale. This is a flash sale for 2 days, 20% off on power tool accessories. So you even have something like this Metabo HPT Mitre stand, which is normally says $202. It's normally $199. But you get an additional 20% off that. And of course, we're at Acme Tools, so you have your Rakuten as well. And so you guys can go through that, look for something you might need. Moving on, we have this VVOR. I just posted this video the other day. I've been hawking and wanting and lusting over a digital torque wrench for years, but they just so expensive. So when I saw that VVOR had one, I kind of have a rocky relationship with them right now. But this thing works good. It's accurate. And you don't need to buy, you could buy smaller ones just to get in the tighter places, but this got you covered, man. It comes with 2 adapters. So you have your 1/2 inch, your 3/8 inch, your 1/4 inch. And again, it's all digital. And this goes from 25 foot-pounds up to 250 foot-pounds. So the range is excellent, $91.99. And I'll leave a link, and I'll leave a promo code in the description, VSALE5, to get an additional 5% off. And guess what? They also have Rakuten, 2% cash back there. And I think they have Retail Me Now too. Yeah, there's just one. I think this was 4%. But then you also have another coupon code here off, 6% off $199. This is only $91. But anyway, this works good. Comes with the case and all that good stuff. This is in mechanical price range. They do have that Bosch. Was it a Bosch? No, it was a Craftsman. But that was back in spring. That was like $60 or $70. And it worked okay, but I didn't like the haptic feedback of that thing. It wasn't digital. It was mechanical. But most mechanical ones are like $90-something. So excellent deal there. Moving on, going back to the Facebook group, Matthew Nesbitt posted this deal for this DeWalt pocket knife, $11.99. And there's an additional promo for DeWalt tools on Amazon right now. If you spend $199, you will save $20 as well. And so I'll leave a link to all of that. Finally, Arthur Perez posted that he got this Gorilla cart for $45. Now, I tried to use BrickSeek to find locations, but BrickSeek was acting weird. They're normally $109 at Walmart or $159, depending on which link you click. But yes, these on sale at some Walmarts for $45. Excellent deal there. So if you're near Walmart, go check it out. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. If you got any value from this video, I ask that you consider subscribing, turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any deals in the future. Like this video, and I will see you guys next time.